Alright, so I'm finally back with some more videos. I've been gone just doing some projects that I've had here, cars that I've bought that I just wanted to finish and just get on them, get them done so that they're ready to be sold. So with that being said, one of them is this 67 coupe that you see behind me. I'll give you a little bit of a sneak peek in a second of what I did to that in a nutshell. The main focus is a 67 Fastback shell that I actually knocked out in the past couple weeks. No one really knew that I was working on it. I haven't posted anything on social media. I've just been focused on getting these things done. So my shells usually don't last long, so if you're interested, send me an email and we can talk from there. I'll have all of the information on that shell listed down below in the comments or in the description on this video. So just let me know. I'll have my email down there also. So you can see there's a bunch of new projects in the shop, old projects, just lots going on. That's the only reason why I haven't been uploading. So I'm back, gonna start doing some more videos. Expect more videos here to come. And also gonna have some videos on products that I would recommend or that I'm testing out. So I'll have some more of that kind of stuff to come in future videos. With this one, just a little look at what this coupe is. Like I said, this one will be for sale in the next couple weeks. I just need to finish it up. It needs tuned and I need to drive it for a little bit just to make sure everything's okay. But looks stock from the outside. That's what I wanted to do. And then the engine bay is where I went a little bit crazy. The underside of the car is completely redone too, undercoated. But I'll show more of this car in the future. Once I have it out and running and everything's good, I'll do some videos on it then. But it is a Fox body driveline, basically fuel injected, and it has a lot of the best pieces on it. I didn't want to skimp out on it. So driveline, this thing is solid. It's 4-wheel disc brakes. I'll go over it in the next video, but let's go out and look at the 67 Fastback shell that is available. And there it is, 67 Fastback shell. It's ready to go. This is the state of which I get them into when I send them off to paint myself. I get all of the body gaps done, everything lined up as best as the metal can be, and then send it off to a paint shop. They do their job, you get it back, put it back together. So all the hard work's done, and this is an original Fastback shell. You can see the original inner structure is all there from that Fastback. That's mainly what I'm using on these cars. The roof, rear window panel, I have the original cowl, which is nice to use on these cars just because the hoods line up better to these original cowls. You can see the lines down the side, they're actually the correct width. New cowls are a little bit misshaped, so it throws off your lines a little bit, in my opinion. the outer rockers. So everything is lined up, ready to go. These wheels are on here just for the video. I have some just basic steel wheels that'll go with the car, but for the right price, these wheels can go with. They are original Magnum 500s. They clean up decent. They're not show wheels, but for original Magnum 500, they're in nice shape. And these are the couple pieces that I have to go with the car. Drip rail channels, which the one on this side has a kink in it, but that's all fixable. Quarter louvers, rear seat. I don't have the fold down pieces, I just have the seats itself. The buckets that come with the new front headlight extensions, and I have the original glass for one of these Fastbacks that's not original to that car, but they were extra ones that I had, so they're going to go with the car. With that, that's everything that's going to go with it. So like I said, I'll have my information down in the description. Just let me know if you're interested. The car won't last long. It's only made it to a video state just because I just finished it. Haven't posted it anywhere. I just figured I'd give everyone their best shot at it. So if you are looking for a 67 Fastback, now's the time to get one. Otherwise, I got a bunch of projects coming up that are customer cars, so I won't get to another shelf for a good bit right now. So just let me know. I look forward to doing some more videos here coming up. I have a car that I found in a junkyard that I'll actually show you. A very rare car. That'll be coming here shortly. So maybe some more videos on my pink car and the red coupe once I get it finished. So look forward to all those, and thanks for watching this video. Sorry it took me so long to get back to these videos, but I'm back to do some more, and we'll see you in the next video.